Layers and scenes. Layers are used to hold objects which we place on the stage. They are found in the timeline. We can add new layers by using the New Layer option from the New Layer icon. We can edit the object in one layer without affecting the objects in other layers. A pencil icon in the layer indicates that it is the active layer. We can make a layer visible or invisible using the eye icon. A layer can be locked. For example, the objects in a layer can be locked using the lock icon. To view only the outline of the objects in a layer, click on the outline icon. Simply double-click to rename the layer. Now, as we right-click on the layer, we can see several menus available. We'll discuss these one by one. Show All will unlock and make all layers visible. Lock Others will lock all other layers except for the currently selected one. Hide Others will hide all the other layers except for the current layer. We can insert and delete a layer using the Insert and Delete Layer options. Guide and Add Classic Motion Guide will add to the corresponding layers. Masking and Show Masking options will allow us to perform masking effects on the objects on the corresponding layers. We can organize the layer by creating folders using the Insert Folder option. We can delete, expand, and collapse a folder using these options. Expand and collapse all folders will expand and collapse all the folders available in the timeline. Next, we have the Layer Properties. Click on that and we'll get a dialog box, which allows us to alter layer name, show lock a layer, layer type, outline color of a layer, view the object's outline in the layer, and layer height. Set the desired parameters and click OK, and note the change in the layer. Also note that we can add and delete layers using icons below the layers. We can add folders using the New Folder icon. We can add a new layer and folder from the Insert menu. Go to Insert, select Timeline, and choose Layer or Layer Folder. Hence, layers play an important role in organizing and editing individual elements in Flash. Scenes. Scenes are used to separate our movie into sessions. For example, just think we created a short file, and for that file in the first scene displays the title of the movie. Second scene displays a movie. The final scene displays the lists of the characters. Specialty of the scene is each has its own timeline and can include its own separate animation. Fine, now move to Interface. Here, title of the scene is displayed in Edit Bar. We can edit this using the Scene Panel window, which is in the Window menu. To create the scene, go to Window menu, select Other Panel, and in that choose Scene. Scene Panel allows us to change the scene name, add a new scene, duplicate, and delete a scene. Therefore, scenes are useful when we create scene-by-scene animations, and we can link and control them by using scripts.